rail is rebirthing itself right across the world. A lot of countries are now recognised it for its true potential. It's always been there, right? It was nation building from the beginning. It'll be nation building again at another point in time.
Australian rail transportation is stuck in second gear, and rail users like Andrea hope that one day her 11-hour train journey between Melbourne and Sydney is a thing of the past. The two biggest cities in Australia are connected by a consistently delayed, mediocre intercity train service, which ran only 1,400 times last year compared to 54,000 aeroplane flights. This is the XPT.
Yeah, they've been around well over 40 years. I shudder to think of how many kilometres those trains have done. They've probably gone around the clock several times. When the XPT first came out, we used to be able to run at 160 kilometres an hour. These days it very rarely gets to 160 kilometres an hour.
Melbourne was the world's most livable city 7 years in a row until this year. Now it's number 2 and Sydney is number 3. The Austrian capital Vienna is the newly crowned number 1. But what does Vienna have that Australian cities don't?
High speed.
High speed.
High speed. High speed. High speed.
High speed. High speed. High speed.
High speed. At high speed.
High speed. High speed. High speed.
High speed.
High speed.
High speed. High speed.
High-speed rail is something that's missing in this country. I mean, obviously air travel has made life a bit easier for people, going backwards and forwards between Melbourne and Sydney, but if we could get a train to run 3.5, 4 hours max from Sydney to Melbourne, how good would that be? You know, I think it would easily pay for itself. No trouble at all.
Some resounding words from Alex. I think we might be closer than ever. Until the Grattan Institute, a state and federal funded independent policy think tank, dropped probably the final nail in the coffin. The main recommendation from their 2020 feasibility report into high-speed rail: abandon the idea of bullet trains. The $130 billion Australian East Coast high-speed rail project would be the single most expensive piece of transport infrastructure any country has ever constructed in the history of civilization. If Andrea wanted to travel high speed in Australia, it's only going to be by plane.